In this video, I will show you how to import characters and animations from Mixamo into Godot. First, go to Mixamo and choose a character to download. Then, go to the Animation tab and select the animation you want. I will be downloading the running and walking animations. Don't forget to select the In Place option. This ensures that the character doesn't change its position while performing the movements. After the download is complete, open Blender. Delete the camera, cube, and light. Then, from the File menu, select Import and FBX, and choose the character and animations you downloaded to import them. Delete everything except the first armature. After deleting, select the armature, go to the Animation tab, and choose Action Editor instead of Dope Sheet. Rename the animations. Finally, from the File menu, choose Export and GLTF to save. After saving, open Godot and drag and drop the character you imported. Finally, add it to the scene and make it local. Your character is ready.